records the moment of a smile or the instinct when handshake ceases. Using motion blur detection technology, the camera can automatically take a photo at the instant when handshake or subject movement ceases. Users can also automatically capture the moment of a smile, the instinct when subject movement due to planning ceases, or the moment when their own face feels so framed as they point the camera towards themselves. There is also a YouTube mode whereby users can simply record videos and upload them to the website without any hassle. Besides using Eslink 2.0 engine, it is iTunes compatible with H.264 video. The camera uses the H.264 video extender, which utilizes the ACC audio copy widely enjoyed in Apple's iPhone. It is also possible to record movies in an appealing wide format. The camera also features a movie button which makes movie recording easy.
Thank you very much. My name is Atsushi Shibusani from R&D. Thank you.
咁 Supertonisan 咧，佢就會集中咧就係demo 呢部 F1 嘅一個功能嘅。咁呢部一個有 HDMI 頭嘅電視啦。咁 Supertonisan 就會預備一幅嘅1秒60張嘅一個相片。咁咧加埋呢部電視去睇個威力嘅。咁呢部咧就係一個板機嚟嘅，咁就未完全完成嘅。不過咧就喺嗰個60 frame per second 同埋高速嗰個攝影裏面嚟講咧，都可以睇到佢個威力。咁嚟緊咧，我哋3月嘅時候都會再舉辦一啲嘅攝影嘅活動咧。當時嘅時候應該就會完全完成晒呢部 F1 嘅。不過咧，我可以保證今日你睇到嘅嘢咧，都會非常之驚訝。咁呢張咧會係一張嘅關於欖球嘅一個照片啦。咁啊 Supertonisan 佢自己影嘅。呢個唔好睇，呢個睇唔到，呢個唔係，呢個搞錯咗。頭先我都貪玩，如果邊個嘉賓有興趣試下1秒60張嘅威力，都好似我頭先咁樣企喺嗰度就可以玩到嘅。OK。係啦，咁你就1秒60張啦，每一張都係600萬像素嘅相片嚟嘅。呢度係1秒喺瞬間裏面發生嘅事情，一位欖球員give and take有個人傳個波俾佢啦。你會睇到個影像係非常之細緻嘅，因為就算你話喺 Full High Definition 裏面咧，都係講緊200萬嘅一個 display， 咁每一張相每秒60格都係600萬像素嘅相片，甚至我哋可能 zoom 埋去啦，可能定格睇佢個動作啦，我哋試下。可能連個波、連個手套裏面講緊乜嘢嘢都能夠好細緻去表達到出嚟。咁呢個就係一個1秒60張嘅一個示範。咁你見佢影完嘅時候咧，佢會將佢結集成為一個 batch 咁樣嘅。你唔會影完散收60張相嘅，係會係一個 batch 一個集結咗喺度，一個咁樣嘅圖案去表示你一個 collection， 你一個集結之下嘅裏面嘅相片啦，一個影集啦。感受下呢個每秒60張啊！咁啊，歡迎我哋一位嘉賓啊，Supertonisan佢為大家做一個極速嘅形體動作啦，形體大師嚟嘅，其實佢都係一位。你見佢要剝衫就知道會有嘢。
この辺で、ちょっと。
係啊。
日本人なんだけど。日本人ジャンプ。
日本人要寫。哇！好嘢。OK。究竟古一頭神嘅英姿會係點樣？我都好期待。咁頭先就會好似頭先我所講啦，就係話影嘅時候咧，1秒60張出嚟咧，就會係一個 collection 一個結集。咁啊，裡面咧可以睇到每一個動作，同埋咧我哋有一個嘅慢動作嘅一個播放模式嘅。咁喺呢個播放模式裏面，我哋可以調校個速度，令到我哋可以睇到咧每一個時間出嚟會係點樣樣㗎。唔好睇我啦。OK， 係呢個啦。每秒600萬像，古一頭神都好緊張。咁呢個只係一個最基本一個跳繩嘅示範，每個屋企都做得到㗎啦。咁當然你可以影，譬如可能馬術嘅比賽啦，可能小朋友跑步衝線啦，可能一啲嘅昆蟲佢停留咗一塊葉度，蓄勢待發佢要飛走啦。一啲雀仔，可能頭先好似係 Super Tiny 喺屋企裏面咁啱影咗一個照片啦。而咧佢 zoom 咗埋去嘅時候咧，個影像嗰個解像度係非常非常之鮮豔嘅顏色，同埋好 sharp 嘅。